Hi viewers and welcome back to the Health TV. This channel is dedicated to improving health literacy and at the same time equipping professionals with the skills needed to succeed in the medical writing field. So one thing we do in medical writing field is that we work with a whole lot of documents, and I believe at some point we received that PDF that you couldn't edit. And it's very common, even beyond medical writing, to find that in the real world. You may be asked by a bank to download, sign a document, scan, and send back. But you don't need to do that if you know how to edit PDF. Now, you may have the PDF version or the PDF software in your laptop that can do that. But if you don't have that in your PC, if you don't have in a PDF software that can allow you to edit documents, or the document itself is non-editable, then there's a way out, and that's what I want to show you today: how to use iPDF to edit documents. No matter the type of PDF document, you can edit it with iPDF. So join me as we do that together. What you need to do is to go to your Google search bar and type iLovePDF. Okay, so you can see that's the logo, iLovePDF. So you click it. The good thing is that you don't even need to sign up to be able to edit a PDF. You don't even need to do that. So what you just need to do is look for edit PDF. You can see it here, edit PDF. So you click on it, then you click on select PDF file. That's exactly what I'm doing now. Now, this is my downloads. That's taking me to my downloads on my PC. So I want to pick this. I want to pick this. This is a bank form, customer account update form from the bank that I need to fill. So to make it more visible, you can enlarge it to the size that you feel that is good for you. So I just enlarge it. So now on this form, I see customer accounts update form. I'm required to put my account number here. Then to update, to tick the desired service here. So let's start from this. So now you have some functions on the iPDF. You have the function of add text, add image, draw, add shape. Now for this purpose, we'll just use the add text and draw. So first of all, to add the account number, I'll use add text. So we are here, so I'll click the add text, so you can see the text box here. So you can click on it and move it. You can also downsize it, which is what I'm doing now. You can elongate it, whichever way you want. Okay, so let's use a hypothetical account number. Say this is the account number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So you've written the account number. So you move to the next. You can decide to reduce the size. You can also reduce it from here if you wish. But most times what I do is to use this If you use this, it's for the whole screen. This is the resolution of for the whole screen. But for the font size, for whatever you are writing, you can use this. So that's one way to reduce the size. So you can see the account number written down. Okay. So the next step is to tick the service. Okay, let me assume that the service I want is update phone number. So now you can't use this add test to do this because you need to tick. So you use draw. So that's what I'm using. So I want to draw this tick. You can see that. So that is done. So then you can see name. I need to put my name here. So I click on it. Then I'll add test. I'll move it. The font size is 36. Let me reduce it to 24. I highlight the whole. Then I'll write my name. I see it. So you repeat this. So what you simply need to do is just to repeat this. You come to address, you do the same. I see the text here. You move it. You move it. You come to phone number, you do the same. You come to BBN, you do the same. So that's how you can edit any form of PDF. Any form of PDF. Then if you are requested to sign a signature, you can just, if you are requested to sign a signature, you can just come here, put draw, then draw your signature, whichever one is your signature. Just draw it with the cursor. Then when you finish, you click Save Changes. Then you download your PDF. That's it. So you can use any form of PDF document. Once you get a PDF that is non-editable, and you don't have the software that can edit it on your laptop, you just need to go online, get iLovePDF, and get the job done. I hope you've learned a thing or two from this demonstration, and from now on you won't have challenges editing PDF. Sometimes as a writer, as a medical writer, you can get your contract in a PDF format. So I know most times for medical writers, our work is remote. So when you get some documents, you don't need to fret. What you just need to do is to go up to iLovePDF and use it to fill the contract form and get it signed.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe and share this video. And if there's any other topic or any other tool you want us to demonstrate, leave it in the comment section. I'll read through your comments and do the needful. See you soon.